The Epomaker TH80 Pro is a compact, wireless mechanical keyboard that strikes an impressive balance between performance, build quality, and customization, making it a standout in the mid-range price category. Designed for users who need a functional, portable keyboard without compromising on key features, this 75% layout model offers a lot to like, especially for everyday browsing and casual gaming. One of the highlights of the TH80 Pro is its solid build quality. It has a robust construction that feels premium, yet it remains light and portable. The keyboard's aesthetic is equally impressive, available in two attractive keycap themes that allow you to match your setup style. Whether you prefer a minimalist or a more vibrant look, the TH80 Pro has something for you. Performance-wise, this keyboard doesn't disappoint. The mechanical switches, specifically the Epomaker Flamingo and Epomaker Budgerigar switches, are excellent for different types of users. The Flamingo switches provide a perfectly smooth key press, ideal for those who want a quiet and fluid typing experience, while the Budgerigar switches offer just the right amount of tactile feedback for a more responsive feel. This flexibility is particularly great if you're transitioning to a mechanical keyboard for the first time. Connectivity is another strong point. The TH80 Pro supports Bluetooth multi-device pairing, allowing you to easily switch between devices. This makes it a versatile choice for both work and play, especially if you need to jump from your laptop to your tablet or phone. Its wireless functionality is reliable, though it's important to note that it doesn't come with the same long battery life as some other higher-end models. However, the TH80 Pro is not without its drawbacks. One notable con is the lack of a numpad, which may be a deal breaker for users who frequently work with numbers. Also, the keyboard has a taller profile, which could cause discomfort during long typing sessions without a wrist rest. For those looking for an ergonomic setup, this may require an additional investment in accessories to ensure a more comfortable experience. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Epomaker TH80 Pro stands out as an excellent choice for casual gamers, office workers, and anyone seeking a compact, stylish, and customizable keyboard. It's an ideal option for those looking to elevate their typing experience without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.